If you want to get the best oscillating tool according to your needs, then watch the video till the end and then decide. So let's get started. At number 1 position, we have DEWALT 20V-MAX*XR Oscillating Toolkit. The DCS 356 is slim, light, and easy to handle. It's ideal if you expect any oddball cuts while standing on a ladder or working on your knees, for example under a sink. We like the fact that it stands upright on its battery, and its 3 speeds are easy to match up to the cutting or sanding job. Its trigger sensitivity is also very good. The soft start helps improve accuracy, keeping the blade from jumping off the line. Ramp up to full speed as the blade cuts deeper. Moving on to the next at number 2 with Milwaukee 2600-2018. The Milwaukee comes to cuts where you might really need to bear down, such as slicing through a thick nail. We also liked its dial speed control, which is extremely precise. That extra level of precision could be a help to somebody like a kitchen cabinet installer or a cabine maker. If you're plugged into Milwaukee's well-regarded 18-volt platform, it would make a lot of sense to add this tool to your remodeling arsenal. The number 3 position is held by DEWALT Oscillating Toolkit DW-315K. A competent sander, the DEWALT did well in sawing through nail-embedded hardwood and in making long, highly accurate, straight rip cuts. We did have one big complaint though. The spring-loaded lever to lock and unlock accessories is miserably stiff. It is good for both cutting and sanding. Next at number 4 we have Dremel MM50-01. We tested the predecessor to the MM45 and were impressed with its power and its value. We expect good things from the MM50, which has 2 key improvements. It features a slightly shorter nose and a new angled motor body configuration. The offset allows better access when flush cutting a door trim and jam when you install flooring or when you need to cut into a tight corner. Otherwise, the tool is the same grade 5A motor of the previous tool, and it comes with 30 accessories, such as a variety of blades, sandpaper, and mounting pads. Finally, the number 5 position is dominated by Porter Cable Oscillating Toolkit PC-S600-552. The low price makes the PC-S600-552 a fine choice if you need a tool to handle one specific project, such as thin plank flooring, followed by sporadic use. It is tool-free. System blade change allows quick changes and adjustments for specific applications without wrenches and bolts. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button for the upcoming video notification.